Good morning everyone. Welcome to your Maths online class, Class 5. Children, we are doing Chapter 2, the 4 basic operations in which we have already completed addition, subtraction and multiplication in our previous videos. In today's video, we will be covering our 4th basic operation, that is division. Division means repeated subtraction or to divide something. The number to be divided is called dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called the divisor. The answer of division is called the quotient, and the number left after the division is called remainder. For example, 650 to be divided by 5. The answer is 130. So here 650 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, and the answer 130 is the quotient. Now let us see some properties of division. Number 1. We cannot change the order of numbers in division. How, children? See, 4 divided by 2 is 2. But 2 divided by 4 is not 2. It is 1 upon 2. You can see the answer, that is the quotient in both the cases when we change the order is different. So, this is the property of division, that we cannot change the order of numbers. Number 2, any number divided by 1 will give the same number as the quotient. For example, 35,674 divided by 1 is equals to same number 35,674. 100 divided by 1 is equals to 100. 2 divided by 1 is equals to 2. You will always get same number whenever you divide any number by 1. Property number 3, any number divided by itself gives 1 as the quotient. For example, 35,674 divided by same number 35,674. So the quotient is equals to 1. Next property, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. 0 divided by 4,298 is equals to 0. On the place of 4,298, there can be any number, but the quotient will be 0 if the dividend is 0. Number 5th property, we cannot divide any number by 0. If we divide any number by 0, the answer will be undefined. That means it cannot be defined. We cannot take out any answer. For example, 4,298 divided by 0, you can write it undefined, you can write it impossible, or you can also make the sign of infinity.
Now children, let's see division with the help of an example. Exercise 2, question number 5, part C. 4,08,596 to be divided by 635. The number that is to be divided is called dividend, and the number which divides the dividend is called the divisor. So here 635 is the divisor and 4,08,596 is the dividend. Now to divide in the first step, पहले step में divide करने के लिए हम देखेंगे कि how many digits are there in the divisor. Divisor में कितने digits हैं और जितने digits divisor में हैं उतने ही digits हम dividend में लेंगे divide करने. ठीक है. Now see 635 here and here 3 digits are 408. Now the number formed by the digits 3 digits is smaller than 635. 408 तो छोटा है 635, so that means you cannot divide. So in this case you will take 4 digits. Okay. अगर dividend की digits divisor की digits से छोटी आ रही है तो आप एक digit और ले लोगे first step में. ठीक है. Now, how will we come to know that what number should be multiplied by 635 to get a number 4,085 or a number smaller than 4,085? Okay? So, for this, we will take one digit from here and we will divide it by the digit, one digit from the divisor. But again, 4 is smaller smaller than 6. So what will we do? We will take 2 digits. We will divide 40 by 6 to find an estimate which number we should multiply by 635 to find a number near to 4085. Now 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42. So 6 6 are 36 because 36 is smaller than 40. So we will take 6. Let us multiply 635 by 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 6 6 are 36 and 2 38. We get 3810. Now we will write 6 here because the number is smaller than 4085. That means this is correct. So 3810. Now one thing would come to your mind कि हो सकता है कि 7 से अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते तो जो नंबर आता वो भी 4085 से छोटा होता, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है ना? तो वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमने ठीक किया है या नहीं? Let's see. First of all, we will subtract 5 minus 0 5, 8 minus 1 7, 10 minus 2 8, 3 minus 3 0. वो आपको ऐसे पता चलेगा कि जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे आप तो जो नंबर आएगा अगर ये नंबर डिवाइजर से छोटा है, that means you have done the division correct. Okay. Now next number we will copy from the dividend 9. Again we will follow the same step. 27 we will divide from 6 because 2 is smaller than 6, so we will take 2 digits. Okay. So 6 1 is 6, 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30. 6 5 is 30 will be greater than 27, so we will take 6 4 is 24. Let's try. Okay. 635 divided multiplied by 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14, 4 6 is 24 plus 1 25. Yes, see children, 2540. This is smaller than 2749, so we will take 4 here. So 635 multiplied by 4 is 2540. 9 minus 0 9, 5 minus 4 1, 7 minus 5 2, and 2 minus 2 0. Now the last digit 6. Now we will copy 6. Okay. Again we will follow the same step. We will divide 21 by 6 and see the digit less than 21 in the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. Now 24 is greater than 21, so we cannot take 24. We will take 6 3s are 18. Let us multiply 635 by 3 because 18 was smaller than 21. That is why we are taking 3. This is just to have an estimate. क्योंकि हमें 635 का टेबल तो नहीं आता ना, तो हम 1 2 3 4 पूरा या तो हम टेबल लिखे तो उसमें बहुत का टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो जाएगा. तो जस्ट एक एस्टिमेट लगाने के लिए कि कौन से नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करें कि इसके नियरेस्ट आए, हम ये वाला प्रोसेस, ये वाला स्टेप करते हैं. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट अ शॉर्टकट. नाउ 3 5 are 15, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. Children, it is also smaller than this, so we will take 635 by 3, so 1905. Subtracting 6 minus 5 1, 9 minus 0 9, 11 minus 9 2, and 1 minus 1 0. And remainder 291, you can see this is correct because it is smaller than the divisor. But only this is not the way to correct the to see the division whether we have done it correctly or not. We also have a different method to verify whether we have done the division correctly or there is some mistake. The formula for verification is dividend if the dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Both the numbers come equal. That shows that we have done the division correct. Now, according to this division, we have got quotient 643 and remainder 291. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. And to check the answer, to verify the answer, we will place these values in the given formula. You already know dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us place these values. Divisor is 635 multiplied by quotient 643 plus remainder 291. So that first of all you will multiply. books, you will get the product as 4,08,305 plus 291. The next step after multiplication will be addition according to T mass rule. Now you will add these things and you will get 4,08,596. You can see that this was only your dividend. That means you have, after solving this, you have got your dividend. That shows that you have done the division correctly.